Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the 7 days of tablescapes. Our host is creatively Miss Me, decorating on a budget, Miss Stephanie. Please check out her channel. And today is simple white tablescape. I hope you enjoy my tablescape. Okay, here's our tablescape. Hobby Lobby for the napkin ring. Amazon for the napkins. At Home for our plate. I got that after Christmas one year. Hobby Lobby for our charger plate. I did simple white with touches of metallics, gold and silver. Our silverware is Amazon. Our tablecloth is like a paisley from Amazon. Our table running was from Hobby Lobby. At Home for the church and the deer. And the candle holders. And Dollar Tree for the ornaments. Hobby Lobby for these little crystals. And all of it was things I already had. So it was a free tablescape. Tell me what you think. Do you like the mixing of the golds and the silvers for Christmas? And the simple white.